Just thought I'd do you a quick video on sanding down mainly the rear guide. Seem to get one or two people coming back and saying that the rear guide is slightly tight, or they're getting a bit of resistance on the cylinder. So just a quick way of getting rid of this. I either polish my cylinder, as you can see, or I just take a little bit of sandpaper and sand out the guide a little bit. This is a set that I've done already. As you can see, quite a nice smooth movement on both. It's a little bit tighter on the front one, but when the front one's in, I don't think it travels much further than that anyway. But it's entirely up to you if you want to take it some more. So this is a tight rear one, I'll just show you on it. Okay, quite a tight one. So firstly, bit of 240 grit, just cut into a little strip so you can get your finger in that or your thumb in there, and just give it a twist round. Now I'd say give it a good twist round for about 20-30 seconds. Keep using a little bit of new every time. Right, I'll just give it a test fit now. Still a little bit more. Give it another go. Maybe just one more go. Give it another test fit. Still a slight bit of resistance, but that will wear away. And then all I do is, just to finish it off, just take a little bit of fine round. Let's say this is a 240 grit, the green was a 120 grit. And test fit it again, and I think you'll see for about 4 minutes work, that's not bad. I suggest just trying it with a little bit of just a dab of silicone grease on it, and then you'll be fine. And if you feel that you need to do it on the front one as well, it's just the same procedure. But like I say, it doesn't really travel that far, much further than that anyway, and I've not heard anybody saying that they're having problems with the front. It just seems to be the rear that might be slightly tight. Hope this video helped you. Thank you.